Our flying time, once it's in air tonight, it's 4 hours and 37 minutes. In just a moment, we'll ask that you please direct your attention to your video monitors for an important safety demonstration on our Airbus aircraft.
Let a flight attendant know if you are unwilling to operate the exit or do not meet the exit seat requirements.
Als u een plaats bij een nooduitgang hebt, lees dan alstublieft de veiligheidskaart die in het stoelvak voor u zit. In een noodgeval kan het nodig zijn dat u de nooduitgang openmaakt. Als u de deur niet wilt openen of als u niet voldoet aan de voorwaarden voor een plaats bij een nooduitgang, laat dit dan weten aan ons cabinepersoneel.
Hello everyone. Thank you for your attention. It's time to get you ready for takeoff. We know you have lots of choices, so thanks for choosing American. We're happy to be your airline. Now, if you'll just follow along with me, we'll be on our way. Welcome aboard. Before we depart, here are some important safety instructions. First things first, let's buckle those belts. Insert the metal end into the buckle and pull the strap to tighten. To open, simply lift on the top of the buckle. And remember, seatbelts should be fastened whenever you're seated, just in case of unexpected turbulence. To get us on our way, make sure your seat is up, all electronic devices are put away, and your tray table is stowed. If you have a carry-on, push it all the way under the seat in front of you. If it won't fit, place it in the overhead bin. If you have a handheld device, please switch it to airplane mode now. You'll find our full electronic device policy in the back of your American Way. U.S. law prohibits smoking, including electronic cigarettes, at any time. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detectors in the lavatories may result in a fine. U.S. law requires all to comply with lighted and posted signs and crew member instructions. Now let's review the safety card. Please pay close attention, and before you know it, we'll be off. All exits on this airplane are clearly marked. Take a moment to locate the nearest one. Keep in mind, it may be behind you. All exits have evacuation slides to use in an emergency. When directed to exit, jump onto the slide and move away from the airplane. Some slides may also be used as a raft, except those over the wings. You'll find the exact location on your safety card. This aircraft is designed with escape lighting on or near the floor. A sign will indicate you have reached your exit. In the event of an evacuation, escape path lighting will appear. Follow the lights until you've reached your exit. Leave all carry-ons behind, just head quickly and safely to the nearest exit, and don't forget, it may be behind you. Now, if the airplane loses pressure, oxygen masks will drop automatically. While remaining seated with your seatbelt fastened, grab the closest mask and pull down. The yellow cup goes over your nose and mouth like so, then slip the band over your head and tighten by pulling the straps on either side. Just breathe. Even if the plastic bag doesn't inflate, oxygen is flowing. And remember to always put your own mask on first before helping others. Life vests are located either next to or under your seats. To remove the vest, pull the tab or compartment handle to break the seal. If equipped with an elastic harness, remove the harness before opening the pouch. For help locating them, see your safety card. Remove the vest from the package like this. Put the vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, attach the buckle, and pull tight. Once outside, pull the tab to inflate your vest or blow into the red tube on the side. In the water, a light on your vest will illuminate, and please, only inflate your vest outside the airplane. If necessary, an infant life vest will be distributed by a flight attendant. The safety card shows how to use it. The crew will now be coming around to do a final cabin check. After takeoff, we'll be back with more information. And if you need anything, don't hesitate to ask. As always, we're here to make your flight great.
Airlines Takeoff.
Hallo allemaal, bedankt voor uw aandacht. We moeten ons klaarmaken om op te stijgen. We weten dat u veel keuze hebt, dus bedankt dat u voor American hebt gekozen. Wij zijn blij dat u met ons vliegt. Als u mij nog even uw aandacht geeft, kunnen we snel op weg. We beginnen bij het begin en maken de stoelriemen vast. Klik het metalen uiteinde gesp en trek de riem aan. Om los te maken tilt u de klep van de gesp omhoog. En de stoelriemen moeten worden gedragen wanneer u in uw stoel zit voor onverwachte turbulentie. Voordat we opstijgen, zorg dat uw stoel rechtop staat, alle elektronische apparaten zijn opgeborgen en uw tafeltje is ingeklapt. Zorg dat uw handbagage volledig onder de stoel voor u is geschoven. Als dat niet past, plaats het dan in de bagage naar bovenin. Als u een mobiel apparaat hebt, schakelt deze dan nu in vliegtuigmodus. Het volledige beleid met betrekking tot elektronische apparaten vindt u achterin uw American Way tijdschrift. Roken inclusief elektrische sigaretten is nooit toegestaan. Voor het saboteren, uitschakelen of vernielen van rookmelders kunt u een boete krijgen. U bent bij wet altijd verplicht tijdens het vliegen de verlichte en geplaatste signalen op te volgen. Laten we nu de veiligheidskaart bekijken. Let nu nog even goed op en voor u het weet zijn we onderweg. Alle uitgangen in dit vliegtuig zijn duidelijk aangegeven. Zoek even de dichtstbijzijnde uitgang op. De dichtstbijzijnde uitgang kan achter u zijn. Wij wensen u een prettige vlucht en bedankt dat u voor American hebt gekozen.
Thank you for your attention. Should you have any questions regarding the safety announcements, please consult a flight attendant. The use of face coverings on our aircraft is optional. We ask that whether you choose to wear a face mask or do not choose to wear a face mask, please respect each other's decisions. In the event oxygen masks drop from an overhead compartment, remove your face mask prior to placing the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Federal law prohibits smoking. This includes the use of vaping devices at any time on board the aircraft. Electronic smoking devices or vaping devices may not be plugged into any power source, including USB ports or AC outlets. If you'll be using your own personal device for entertainment, all devices which produce audio sound must be placed on silent or they must be used with headsets. This does apply to game, music, or video content. All devices must be silent or used with headsets. Should you need a headset, please ask your flight attendant. We have some available. Relax and welcome.
Kung wifi po, WhatsApp ba lang na. Dus there is Surinam